Greg Fields. You guys have been up early tracking this storm. Really, this time of year, especially here in North Texas, the potential for severe weather is there.
It is certainly there. We do have this strong line of storms moving through. No active warnings yet, but that could change. We're going to be keeping a close eye on this line. It has blossomed over the past hour right along the cold front here this morning. It continues to march quickly off to the east. So let's get you on out. The lightning has been frequent, some small hail, some heavy downpours with this, and some gusty winds. But so far, again, everything has been below severe limits across the area. Things settling down a little bit from our downtown Dallas tower cam. You can see the line of storms moving just east of Dallas, but now getting out toward Balch Springs, up toward Mesquite and Garland, and that's going to get on into Rockwall County, over toward Rockwall, moving over toward Lake Ray Hubbard. Right now, Heath, you're going to pick up some heavy rain and the gusty winds, the lightning there for you, heading over toward Forney and eventually getting out toward Terrell as we head a little farther south, getting down into Ellis County, moving right over Midlothian right now. Cedar Hill, the southwestern part of Dallas County, that storm cluster has moved over Joe Pool Lake, but heading down toward Maypearl right now. That's going to move over toward Waxahachie here and eventually in the southern portions of Dallas County. So yes, widespread thunderstorms with this line working its way through the area. We'll zoom out a little bit more. You can see how long this line is as it will be marching quickly off to the east. So speaking of that, let's put a storm track on this entire line of storms as it works its way off to the east. And this will give you an approximate time of when you can expect these storms to move into your area. And again, we still do have that severe potential out there today, even though we have not seen that as of yet. No active warnings, but that could change. And here are the times as we get out toward Forney, around 5:10 here over the next few minutes there, heading out to Waxahachie around 5:14. And these are going to be approximate times around 5:30. Hillsborough heading out toward Ennis just after 6 o'clock. So anywhere along this line of storms, you can expect some small hail, some heavy rain, frequent lightning and gusty winds. And again, maybe a severe thunderstorm warning or two can't be ruled out a little bit later today. Tornado threat is there today. It is low, but not zero. But we will continue to watch this line of storms, especially as it moves a little farther east through the morning. So here's our timecast now. It kind of goes back a little bit, but as we head toward 7, 8 o'clock here this morning, things do start to move on into East Texas as that front continues to make steady progress across North Texas. And then I think by the latter half of the morning rush, things will start to improve and we'll have some clearing skies for you out there a little bit later today for that drive home. But certainly going to be some issues out there for you this morning with this line of storms as it continues to move on through. So again, the main concerns today will be the damaging wind threat along with large hail. Tornado threat, can't rule that out, especially in our northeastern counties. And that's where we do have a tornado watch that just came down. It does include Bonham, Greenville, getting out towards Sulphur Springs and Paris. And that goes until noon today. So we'll be watching that very closely as we go through the day as well, with that severe weather threat shifting a little farther east. So here's your day planner. We'll start out with the widespread rain and thunderstorms as that line marches east. Partly sunny skies here this afternoon. Those northwest winds at around 10 to 15.